and welcome to my channel. Today's video is the reveal of our master bathroom makeover. So when we first bought this house almost a year ago, we just primed the walls with Kiehl's. And for this makeover, what we decided was just to paint almost everything, the door, the walls, the cabinets, with semi-gloss white paint. And we also added a couple of other things that you will see in just a moment. This is the only light fixture in the bathroom, and you can see that there aren't any globes or anything like that on there. That's one change that we are making, and I actually just painted that light fixture gray, which you'll see in just a minute. This right here, there's not much to see, but you will be able to tell in just a moment that it was painted. And we also added back the toilet paper holder, which we've been missing for a while now. This is just a really short clip of my husband putting on some semi-gloss paint. So here it is. Here is the door. We painted white along with the doorknob and the little hinges. I painted those gray. We replaced, my husband replaced the light switch and the light switch cover along with the little outlet over there. Here's a sign that I made. Please wash your hands. And this table my husband made from a pallet that we had in our backyard, and I painted it white. This right here is a shelf we've had for years, and it used to be black. I just painted it gray. And the little jar I painted with chalk paint and added some Dollar Tree flowers. I love Mrs. Meyer's, so I put the peppermint scented Mrs. Meyer's up there. These I already had in my bathroom that hold the cotton swabs and the cotton balls. I still don't have any curtains yet, but this right here is a little different. You can tell it's more white. Here's the shower curtain. I wanted to get just a solid white shower curtain, and I love it because it's very airy and flowy and just very pretty. The floor mats I have had, I got them from two different places. I think one of them was Home Goods, I'm not sure the other one. And you can see that I painted the bathroom cabinets. That's all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions or comments, then please leave them down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.